It's Gail from Seattle Coffee Gear and tips and tricks. Yep, that's what it is, tips and tricks. Couple of things right off the bat, very fast. It's going to be sour, so you don't want that. So that's my first tip is, hence, it's not a true crema, it's more like a faux crema, but just like changing the oil in your car, if you don't do it, your car doesn't run right after a while. Water, let's talk about water. So if you want to actually get it perfect, which not too many people do this, but if you want it perfect, you take this out and you take this out, this little clip. I don't know if it's in the book or not. I would think it would be in the book. Something you want to do typically right out of the box. It's not an easy thing to do unless you have a Panarello. I'll put some coffee in here and then we'll show you the other tips and tricks. Fresh beans, and you'll see that. It just won't even look good. And then we're going to taste it. I hate to say it, dump, get rid of it. Dump. It's not going to reflect the true, so. This is all just trial and error, folks. It really is. Now, dump that. Dump that. You know, nobody likes to waste coffee, but it's the only way that you're going to get it dialed in properly either. Baby steps. Oops. You know, I think those are all the tips and tricks I can think of for this machine. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.